Hi, my name is Gabriel. Let me give you an overview of GSF's new product, GSFLog. First of all, when you open GSFLog, what appears on the screen is simply the name of the machine. You have the choice between two sections, operators and work sites. If you click on operators, this allows you to select the operator name. You can do the same for the construction site and confirm it. At this point, you arrive directly at the application screen. As you can see, at the top is the name of the operator and the time. In the center, you have the minimap and the list of type of events that were previously transferred by SMF Mobile. By clicking on one of the events, it is highlighted. You can thus ensure that you selected the right event. The time will also be calculated from the event. If you have more than 6 different event types, the word Other will appear in the list. You can find all the other event types there. And you also have controls at the left and the right end of the screen. Let's start with the buttons on the left. If you take the first one, it takes you back to the opening window, where you selected the site and the operator. The second button allows you to transfer the data directly to the cloud. The third is used to create a waypoint. Among other things, you can change the color or specify an identifier name. The next button is just to change the view. Right now on the screen, you have the minimap on the right and you have the type of events on the left. By pressing the Change View button, you still have the event on the left, but on the right, you have the activity clock. And if you change it a second time, you now have the map showing on the full screen. And if you press it a third time, it brings you back where you started. The last button on the left simply allows you to access the configuration menu, but this part will be described in another capsule. Now, let's go to the right-hand section. If you click on the plus at the top, it zooms in, as you might expect. The minus is a zoom out. The next button is used to automatically center the map on your GPS position. The next one is to measure length or area. And the last command allows you to view the coordinates. This concludes the overview of GSFLog.